Madam. I'm Catherine Saballa, 24 years old, Filipino, single. I'm the second of the family.
Good day to you, Miss Catherine. How are you today?
I'm fine, Sir Madam.
What do you think are the right attitude and characteristics of a good domestic helper?
Sir Madam, the right attitude and characteristic of a good domestic helper is a kind, good, responsible, and hardworking.
How will you avoid your homesickness?
Sir Madam, I avoid homesickness by focusing my work duties and make myself busy.
Can you tell us how to take care of the children?
Sir Madam, I care children, giving food, proper medicine, and I treat them as my own sisters and brothers.
What if you commit mistakes? What to do?
Sir Madam, I say sorry to my employer and I will promise I will not do it again.
What is your last message or promise to your employer?
Sir Madam, please do hire me. I need this job for my family, and I will promise I will finish the 2 years contract.
Thank you, Miss Catherine, and good luck.
Thank you, Sir Madam.